Hello, are you Mark? I am Mia.
Hi, Mia. Yes, I am Mark. Nice to meet you.
This is the house. It is very old. It is very beautiful.
I like the windows. They are very big.
The street is quiet. There are no cars. It is peaceful.
That is good. I work at home. I need silence.
I have the key. Let's go inside. Follow me.
Okay, Mia. Is the flat big? I have many boxes.
It is perfect for you. It has 2 rooms.
That is great. I need an office. I work a lot.
Here is the elevator. It is very fast.
I prefer the stairs. I like to walk.
We are on the 3rd floor. Let's walk then.
The stairs are clean. The building is nice.
Yes, the neighbors are good. They are very quiet.
I like quiet neighbors. I am a calm man.
Here is the door. It is number 10.
10 is a good number. Open the door, please.
Look at this. It is very bright.
Wow, it is big. I like the white walls.
The sun is here. It is a warm flat.
The floor is wood. It looks very new.
We cleaned it yesterday. Everything is ready for you.
I am very happy. This is a good start.
Come into the room. Take off your jacket.
Okay, I am ready. Let's see the flat.
I am your guide today. I know everything here.
You were very kind, Mia. Thank you for your help.
It is my job. I love to help people.
Let's see the rest. I am very curious.
This is the living room. It is very large. There is much light.
I like this room. It is very bright. The walls are clean.
You can put a sofa here. A big sofa fits well.
I have a gray sofa. It is very long. It fits here.
That is a good idea. The floor is strong. It is light wood.
Is there a TV plug? I have a big TV. I love movies.
Yes, it is over there. There are many plugs. You have options.
That is very convenient. I also have a lamp. It is tall.
You can put it in the corner. It will look nice. I like lamps.
The ceiling is very high. The air feels fresh. It is nice.
I open the window every day. The air is good. There is no dust.
Is it warm in winter? I do not like cold rooms.
It is very warm. The heater is new. It works very well.
That is good news. I like a warm home. I feel happy.
Look at this view. You can see the park. It is green.
The park is beautiful. I see children there. I see dogs too.
You can run there. It is very close. It is very safe.
I like to run. I run every morning. It is my hobby.
Then this flat is perfect. You are a lucky man.
I agree with you. The room is great. I am very satisfied.
Do you have many books? There is space for a shelf.
Yes, I have many books. I need a big shelf.
Put it near the window. You can read there. It is bright.
That is a great plan. I love to read. It is relaxing.
You are very organized, Mark. I like your style.
Thank you, Mia. I try to be neat. I like order.
Now let's see the kitchen. It is very modern.
I am coming now. I hope it is big.
It is not huge, but it is very nice.
Let's go and see.
Let's talk about the price. I have my tablet here.
Okay, let's talk. Is the rent very expensive?
It is £900. That is the monthly price.
£900? Is the internet included in that?
Yes, the internet is free. Water is also included.
That is very good. I use the internet a lot.
The Wi-Fi is very fast. It is perfect for work.
Do I pay for electricity? How much is it?
Yes, you pay for light. It is usually £50.
£50 is okay. It is a fair price.
The deposit is 1 month. It is £900.
Do I get it back? I want to know.
Yes, you get it back. Keep the flat clean.
I am a very clean person. I do not break things.
I believe you, Mark. You look very responsible.
Can I pay by bank? I do not like cash.
Yes, bank transfer is best. It is very safe.
When is the rent due? Is it the first day?
Yes, pay on the first. That is our rule.
I will be punctual. I am never late.
That is great to hear. We like good tenants.
Is there a contract? I want to sign it.
Yes, I have it. We can sign it later.
Perfect. Let's continue the tour. I want to see more.
Do you like the price? Is it okay for you?
Yes, it is okay. It fits my budget.
I am happy to hear that. You are a good client.
You are a good agent. You explain everything well.
Thank you, Mark. Now let's see the kitchen.
I am ready. Let's go.
This is the kitchen. Everything here is very new.
I see the fridge. It is very big. It is silver.
It has many shelves. You can store much food.
I like to cook. I need a good stove.
Here is the stove. It is electric and fast.
It looks very clean. Is there an oven too?
Yes, the oven is here. You can bake pizza.
I love pizza. I also bake bread.
That is wonderful, Mark. The kitchen will smell nice.
There are many cupboards. I have many plates.
Put them in here. There is a lot of space.
I see a small machine. Is it a dishwasher?
Yes, it is. It saves much time. It is quiet.
That is a dream. I hate to wash plates.
Me too. It is a very helpful machine.
The sink is very deep. I like the style.
It is stainless steel. It is very easy to clean.
Is there a window here? I like fresh air.
Yes, there is a small window. You can see the street.
I see a small cafe. Is the coffee good?
The coffee is the best. I go there often.
I will go there tomorrow. I love morning coffee.
The kitchen floor is stone. It is very strong.
It is a nice color. It is dark gray.
It does not get dirty. It is very practical.
I like this kitchen. I can cook here.
You are a good chef? I want to know.
I am a simple chef, but my pasta is good.
Pasta is great. Now let's see the balcony.
Lead the way, Mia.
Step out onto the balcony. The door is glass.
Wow, it is nice. The air is fresh.
You can put a chair here. You can drink coffee.
I see the city. The view is very big.
In the evening, it is pretty. All the lights are on.
Is it noisy at night? I need to sleep.
No, the street is small. It is very quiet.
That is perfect for me. I hate loud cars.
Look at these flowers. They are very red.
Did you put them here? They are beautiful.
Yes, I like flowers. They make the house happy.
I will water them. I like plants.
You are a kind man. The flowers will grow.
Can I smoke here? Just a question.
No, the building is no smoking. Not even here.
That is okay. I do not smoke.
That is very good. It keeps the air clean.
The balcony is small, but it is enough.
You can see the sunset. It is very romantic.
I love sunsets. The sky is very orange.
Tomorrow is a sunny day. It will be warm.
I will sit here tomorrow. I will have tea.
That sounds very relaxing. You are at home.
Not yet, Mia. We must sign first.
Yes, you are right, but soon it is yours.
Is there a light here for the night?
Yes, look above you. There is a small lamp.
I see it now. It is a warm light.
Let's go back inside. The bathroom is next.
Okay, let's go.
This is the bathroom. It is very clean.
I see a big shower. It looks very modern.
The water is very hot. It is very fast.
That is important for me. I love hot showers.
There is a large mirror. You can see everything.
The light is very bright. It is good for shaving.
Here is the washing machine. It is new.
That is very good. I have many clothes.
It is a quiet machine. You can use it at night.
I like that. I am a busy man.
There is a small shelf for your soap and shampoo.
The tiles are white. They look very fresh.
We cleaned them today. Everything is very neat.
Is there a heater here? Bathrooms can be cold.
Yes, look at the wall. It is a towel heater.
A towel heater? That is very luxury.
It is a nice touch. Your towels will be warm.
I am very impressed. This flat is great.
I am happy you like it. I want you to stay.
I think I will stay. Everything is perfect.
Is the toilet working? Do you want to check?
No, I trust you. Everything looks fine.
Good. The floor is not slippery. It is safe.
I see. It is a gray stone floor.
It stays dry. It is a good material.
This is a good bathroom. I am very happy.
Now the tour is over. Let's go to the table.
Yes, let's go. It is time for papers.
I have the contract ready. It is very simple.
Lead the way, Mia.
Let's sit here. I have the papers.
Okay, I am sitting. I have my pen.
This is the contract. It has 2 pages.
I am reading it now. It looks very clear.
The rent is $900. The deposit is $900.
I see the total here. It is $1,800.
Yes, that is for the first month and the deposit.
I am signing the first page. Here is my name.
Thank you, Mark. Now sign the second page.
Done. Now I am a tenant.
Congratulations, you have a new home.
I am very excited. It is a big day.
I am signing too. I am the witness.
You have a nice signature. It is very elegant.
Thank you, Mark. I practiced a lot.
Here is your copy. Keep it. I will put it in my bag. It is safe.
When do you move in? Is it tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning. My friends will help me.
Tell them to be quiet. The neighbors are sleeping.
I will tell them. We will be very careful.
I am very happy for you. You are a good tenant.
I am happy too. Thank you for the tour.
You are very welcome. It was a good day.
You are a great agent. You are very cheerful.
I love to help people. It makes me smile.
Now, do I get the keys? I am ready.
Yes, I have them here. They are on the table.
I see them. They are silver keys.
One moment, Mark. I have a question. Here are your keys. There are 2 of them.
Thank you, Mia. They feel heavy.
This key is for the door. The other is for downstairs.
I will put them on my ring. I have a ring.
Do not lose them. It is expensive to change locks.
I will be very careful. They are in my pocket.
Now the flat is yours. You can stay here.
Can I stay now? I have no bed.
You can sleep on the floor. It is clean.
No, I will go to a hotel, just for tonight.
That is a better idea. Tomorrow you bring the bed.
Yes, tomorrow is moving day. I am very busy.
If you have problems, call me. My number is there.
I will call you. Thank you for everything, Mia.
It was a pleasure. Have a nice evening, Mark.
You too. Enjoy your night.
I am going home now. I am tired.
I am going to the cafe. I need coffee.
The sun is very low. It is beautiful.
I am looking at my keys. I am happy.
I am leaving the building. The door is closed.
I am a tenant now. Life is good.
He is a nice man. I have a good job.
London is a great city. I love it here.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.